Hi everyone, I'm Dan, one of the gallery assistants here at East Gallery and a project assistant on Cooking Section's Moveable Estates. I'm here today to talk about cooking sections, who they are and why their work is so important, as well as a bit more about my involvement within the project. Cooking Sections consists of London-based artists Daniel Fernandez-Pascal and Alon Suave. Together the duo explore the boundaries of art, architecture and geopolitics through their installation, performance and video works. One of their most prominent projects is CLIMAVORE, an ongoing series of works asking the question, how do we eat as humans change climates? These works aim to adapt our eating to the new seasons that have emerged in recent decades, including the increase of pollution and the climate crisis. These pieces range from an underwater dining table that transforms into a community eating space in the Isle of Skye, to a series of microclimate installations in Sicily, examining the growing instability of the seasons for growing crops. Their work has been celebrated for enacting real change within the communities they work with, creating a lasting effect in adapting the way that we view food. Cooking Section's continued social change through art has earned them a shortlisting in this year's Turner Prize, one of the most coveted prizes for British-based artists. They were noted by this year's jury for the ingenuity of their CLIMAVORE project, as well as their new exhibition, Salmon, a Red Herring, at Tate Britain. This installation explores the multi-million-pound salmon farming industry, which produces grey-coloured fish starved of their natural diet and fed dyed pellets to give them their salmon colour. This exhibition has even prompted Tate to remove farmed salmon from all of their menus and be replaced by ingredients that promote regeneration in aquacultures. In 2019, I had the opportunity to join East Gallery as they partnered with Cooking Sections to produce Moveable Estates, a work commissioned by the new Geographies project. Moveable Estates is an audio tour based in Winterton-on-Sea and explores the effects of coastal erosion in local communities as the boundaries of inhabitable land changes. 1 year on from the project, the cafe at Winterton that acted as the starting point for the tour has had to close due to the dangers posed by the shrinking coastline. My role in helping produce the project with East Gallery included interviews with community experts, research into the local area and its history of coastal erosion, as well as an architecture summer school with original projects, engaging young people with the subject of erosion and adaptable architecture. As a young artist, getting to work with Cooking Sections was an illuminating experience. It taught me how art can benefit local communities, teaching them about the issues surrounding their environment and examining new ways of how to adapt to these concerns. Getting to see people from NUA and Norfolk come together to participate in this project helped instruct the direction of my own practice, towards art that focuses on community engagement. That's all from me in our intro into Cooking Sections. I hope you enjoy all of the upcoming content for NUA's New Geographies Week.